Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Nettspend. This video is super long overdue since I wanted to make this a while ago for y'all, but I'm gonna still get it out for y'all, even though I feel like it's probably a little bit late. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just play the cover for y'all.
In my dream, I fell asleep and they love what they see, but dying close to me, surf game at the beach.
This is post after I made that video. I made the cover to Wake Up using the exact same presets, so you can have a different example of how it sounds like.
Okay, it's the party. I swear.
Yeah. Flex every day, yeah. Flex every day, yeah. See them all, bleed flex. Whole day, yeah. Wake up, see tomorrow. Like he won't see tomorrow. Flying gon' lift them heavy weights. Wake up, see tomorrow.
I know that was super short, but that was just to give you another example of what it sounds like. I know the song is not the usual Nettspend sound, like just trap underground music, but these presets work for that sound as well, since he uses the same presets anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play the vocals raw and then mix, so that y'all can hear the difference between the vocals while they're mixed and when they're not mixed.
Jazz in my dream, I fell asleep and I love what they see, but don't close to me, surf game at the beach. It's so much weight, I brought the leaf. I'm OTOD off the opiates, I swear I get too geeky. Made me leave. Southside that bitch a trick. I double up and lose sleep, and now I can't even feel the weed. I feel like Future but Gen Z. Put some Molly in them teeth. Baby, tell me what you need. You might be fucked up but not like me.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to set it up real quick, but just let me clear it out first. Alright, now the template is all cleared. So, once you download the pack and everything, unzip it or whatever you gotta do, this is how it should look. Then you get the main right here, boom, drag it wherever you want, and then ad-lib right there. This is what I do: track 1, in 1, and post track. So usually it's gonna be like this, and you're gonna hear yourself. So take it off here of the master, and then you drag it into track 3. And then it's gonna sound like this, and you can hear yourself and all that stuff. If you don't want to hear yourself, and just turn that down, turn that knob down right there, so you don't hear yourself, but you can still record. But keeping the recording sidechain to the preset will let you record automatically into the preset itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. It's really that's really how simple that is. Alright, so now you set it up. This is the settings for the main auto-tune and OTT, just in case if they mess up by any chance. This is the auto-tune right here. The auto-tune is going to be the same for all presets. This is right here, the most important one is the main, and then you get the ad-lib right here, and then the OTT settings is going to be this for the ad-libs. Yeah, other than that, should be pretty much it. Let me know if y'all need any help with anything custom mixing or any advice with mixing and any of that stuff, music, whatever. Let me know. Hit me up on Instagram at akkiro. We might be doing a crash Instagram, TikTok, and all that sooner or later. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. If you're not already in the Discord, make sure to join that too, to get notifications for the videos, or just turn on that notification bell or whatever. That'll help a lot. I really appreciate your time for watching this video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, peace out.